Organizing your Tableau projects is key to a smooth workflow. And today, we're diving into how to quickly and easily edit project names in Tableau Server or online. Let's get started. First, access your Tableau Server or Tableau Online account. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to modify project names. Navigate to the Projects section, which is usually found on the left-hand navigation menu. Find the project whose name you want to change and click on it. Once you've selected the project, locate the three dots icon, often referred to as the Actions menu, situated next to the project name. Click it. A drop-down menu will appear with a few options. Choose Edit, which should be one of the options available. This will open the Edit Project Settings window. You will see a field containing the current project name. Here, you can freely change the project's name to something more descriptive or relevant. After you've typed in the new name, ensure you click the Save button to confirm the change. And that's it. The project name should now be successfully updated. You can now go back to your project page and see the updated name reflected. By mastering this simple trick, you can ensure everyone's on the same page, finding things quick and easy. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips. #TableauAdmin #project management.